Welcome to the demo of the 26A Redwood, Review Product Genealogy, in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. With this feature, you can now review product genealogy using the new Redwood user experience. With Redwood's guided search and insights, you can quickly locate production histories, component usage, and traceability details across manufacturing, inventory, and other SEM events, all from a single view. By adopting this Redwood experience, users gain faster access to critical genealogy data, reduce navigation time between related records, and can make better informed decisions during production and quality reviews. Here is the data that we would be using in the demo. Given is the work order, to manufacture item, AS49B64A, Vario 64 GB tablet, black. Listed are the operations, items, and resources, needed for its production. Now, let's walk through demo flow of this feature. Product, Vario 64 GB tablet black, is serial controlled and has material, battery, which is lot controlled. We will review the genealogy of a product serial, WOB72070, and its details, composition and transaction history. We will also review the genealogy of material lot, LT0001, and its details, where used and transaction history. Presented here, is the item structure of, the product Vario 64 GB tablet black. The product and all its materials are enabled for genealogy tracking. I am in the work execution work area, under supply chain execution. Let us navigate to the task product genealogy, shown under manage production, in actions menu. Let us search for product AS49S32A, Vario 64 GB tablet black. Since it's a serial controlled product, the search displays all the serials completed during production execution. The search results display origination details for the serial such as date, document, and quantity. Origination document refers to the source record, like a purchase order, work order, or transfer order, that first introduces a lot or serial number into the system. Origination quantity and date are the quantity and date of the origination document. Let us click on serial number WOB72070 to review its genealogy details. As shown here, the Details tab shows information such as organization, item context of serial number WOB72070. The Composition tab shows the serials and lots of materials that compose the assembly serial, WOB72070. As shown here, the material battery is lot controlled and issued from LT0001. However, other materials, such as processor, camera, motherboard and memory are serial controlled, like the product Vario 32 GB tablet, silver. Since the serial WOB72070 is for final product, and not a material used as part of another assembly, the Where Used tab has no information to display. The Transaction History page shows the transactions performed on the serial. Presented here are the filtered transactions, based on transaction type, operation completion. The page also shows manufacturing and inventory transaction types such as material issue, purchase order receipt, sales order issue, etc. Let us navigate back to Genealogy page. As shown earlier, in the Composition tab for product serial, WOB72070, material battery is lot controlled, and issued from lot LT0001. Let us click on the lot number, and review the genealogy and usage details of battery lot LT0001. Shown here are the lot details and on-hand details of the lot LT0001. The lot details section provides information of the lot attributes, and the on-hand section provides the on-hand details of lot in sub-inventory and locator in an organization context. On scrolling down, the lot details table also shows issued to work order and shipped section. The issued to work order section shows the lot quantity issued to multiple work order operations, and the shipped section presents the quantity shipped to customer, if any. The material battery lot has no composition information to display. The Where Used tab shows the usage of the battery lot LT0001 in multiple tablet assembly serials. We have already reviewed the genealogy of assembly serial WOB72070. Let us click on the tablet assembly serial WOB71244 to view its details. The genealogy details page for assembly serial WOB71244 opens up in separate browser tab for review. Let us navigate back to the earlier tab for the battery lot LT001. The transaction history tab for the material lot presents all the transactions such as material issue performed against the lot. The transactions can be filtered using the transaction date filter as shown here. This completes the demo flow. To recap with this feature, you can review the genealogy of a product assembly lot or serial, and its details, composition and transaction history. You can also review the genealogy of a material lot or serial, and its details, where used and transaction history. This concludes the demo of this feature. Thanks for watching.